imperfection. You can see it right here. It's kind of the little white spot is a run, and it goes all the way down right here. We're going to be working on fixing that. There's another imperfection down here. As you can see, it's not painted. I did not take off the tow hook because it doesn't fit with the ESP traction bar. Same thing going on down here. Kind of sucks, but this is what the color looks like on rainy days. And here's the old Prelude. More spare parts. This is the trunk, Rhino liner. To fit a battery without worrying about any acid corrosion or whatever. And
that band you really know you made it when they say, hey, you're performing.